What's up guys, it's me Davis, and I'm going to be showing you Lightning McQueen fails. Before we get to the video, time for another shout out, like I did in my last video. Shout out to Cool Pro Killer 5. So yes, he's one of my friends on Roblox. So let's get started, and I hope you like this. Wow, this is amazing! Ah! Call the ambulance. Good. Good. Ah! Oh. Why? Oh, why the McQueen is doing good? What? Well, maybe not so good. Working on that. You're not supposed to do that. Oh my goodness. Why do movies have to be so abusing? Catch up the story. What? Oh look, I landed it. I need to catch up the story. Oh. Wow. Howie. Let's just go get a new camera. We'll be right back. Eternity later. Okay, ready, and action! Not too crazy. Okay. Ah! I was trying to go good there, like. Whatever. Sometimes you're just creepy. Wow. That meme is horrible. It's a popular line. Whatever. Just. Oh, yes. Ah! We're not doing that until Cars 3 comes out. You. What's Cars 3? Hasn't even come out yet, so I don't even know it. Okay, let's just start again. Okay. You're saying a little extra. Oh, was I? Okay. We're supposed to learn the backwards driving yet. Not yet. Sorry. Ah! Another ambulance. 29 miles per hour. 30 miles per hour. 31 miles per hour. Oh no, I tripped on set! 0 miles per hour. You know, maybe we should just start on this one. Fine, what's the deal? You do not have to go down. Somebody get 1,000 more ambulances.